Hello, Vipers. Let's talk about how to use social sequences. Social sequences are how you can post a series of social templates over a period of time, commonly used for things like Facebook parties or promotions or introductions to things that you offer. And so social sequences are comprised firstly of social templates. Social templates are what you can create right here and are the actual posts that wind up being created in a social sequence. So if you're not sure what social templates are or how to create them, I would suggest first going there to learn how to do that so that you can then create a sequence. So we're going to click on sequences right here to go to this page where we'll see any sequences that have already been made. But to create a new one, go to this green plus button right here for create new. You can give it a descriptive title for your own purposes so you can keep all of these things straight. If you are on a team with multiple users, you can share this with teams right here. Your default delay is going to be the delay between posts that is created as a default. So in other words, if you want all of your posts to be evenly laid out, you can set your delay between posts right here, whether it's days, hours, or minutes, and then that will be the default as you create these steps. If you're not sure what I'm describing there, it'll make a little bit more sense as I create some steps here. So add first step to create your first step here, and then you can select your social template. You'll see the preview right there and hit OK. Then next, we can click right here to add another step. And as you can see right here, our default delay is 1 hour. And so that is already created right here by default. Though you can uncheck this to change from the default if you like. Choose your social template and then hit OK. And then if you need to edit any of your steps, you can just click on this edit button right here. You'll see your settings right here. Just quickly add one more. And then hit OK. And now we have a 3-step social sequence that has been made. Don't forget to hit Save Social Sequence once you are done working. And then now this new social sequence can be found right here. A couple of additional things to note here is if you want to interact with these, such as creating copies, deleting, or actually posting it, you'll do this with this button right here, and or by using the checkboxes here. So let's first look at this button right here. Here's where you can launch your sequence, copy, and delete. And then these checkboxes here are how you basically interact with multiples, such as to delete. So let's look here to launch. And here, once we click launch, we now see our social sequence all laid out. So we know what we're getting into before we actually launch it. And you can also make some changes ahead of time here too, such as if I wanted to change this to a 3-hour delay, I can do that right here on the fly. And then much like posting anything to social is done in 3 steps of looking at your post first and then selecting your account and then scheduling. So let's hit that right there to go to accounts. I've chosen my account right here. Choose schedule. And then here I can decide when I want this to actually post. So let's post this in future right here. I can also even see the times ahead of time for when each of these various posts will go out. And then I can hit schedule. So this one has been scheduled in the future, but one other thing to note here too is that if you want to look at your actual sequences that are active at the moment, you can also go right here to launch sequences, and you'll see a breakdown of your various sequences that either have completed or are actively being posted. So I hope this has been helpful, and happy posting.